Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click on your project, which should be the Diverse Book Project. And then we're going to go to Sources. And we're going to create a new citation. We are going to click on Print. So we're using our book. We're going to click on Book. And we're just going to click Continue. And there's a couple ways we can do this. You can fill in all of this information from the information you get from your book. Or the easiest way is if you have an ISBN number, you can just import all the information. The ISBN number is probably on the back of your book if you have the book in your hand, or you can look up the ISBN number on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and type in the ISBN number from my book. It is 978-141-970-8077. And I'm going to click search. Okay, and this is the book that I wanted, The Bamboo Sword. I just check out that it's the right book. I could click on that and I can hit import selected source. And yes, that's the information that I want. Click continue. And it just fills in everything here that I need. With a traditional fiction book, a lot of this is going to be empty. We're not going to have a volume number, an edition, a series number, anything like that. Then I'm going to hit save. And it's going to have my citation here. Okay. And that's all I need to do to get the citation for my book. Now what I'm going to do is move over to my note card, which is the next step in the process. And I need a new note card. I'm going to give my note card a title, and you can really call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Selected Book, something like that. What's important is that now I need to search for my source, and I only have one here, so that's the one I want. The Bamboo Sword, it's going to put it right in here. And then the only part of this that I'm required to fill out, I don't need to put anything here or here, is the original thinking section. And I just need to put in 3 sentences explaining. I need to put in 3 or more sentences explaining why I selected this book. Okay, so I might explain here that I have some kind of personal connection to the book, or I might just explain what is it about this book that intrigues me. I might talk about the diversity category a little bit, why in particular I chose a particular book about a particular ethnicity or disability or somebody with an economic challenge, or maybe it was something entirely different about the book that interested me. Maybe it was the mystery aspect. Whatever it is, I'm going to write about it here, at least 3 sentences, but feel free to write more if you have more to say. And that's all I need to do here. So really there's only in this whole note card here, there's only 3 things that I need to fill out. I just need to give it some kind of title. The note card needs a title. And then I need to just use the drop-down menu to find my source. And then in this section here, I need to put my original ideas explaining why I chose this book. And then I save and close, and that is it.